Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to refund skins in Brawl Star. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you want to if you want to get a refund on the skin that you have bought, I will show you how you can do that. You have to just simply click on this hamburger menu here in the top right corner and then click on settings. Let's go to help and support. Let's go to purchases. Once you go to purchase, you can click on the Supercell store here and click on help with Supercell store refunds. So once you click on it, it will tell you that you have made a purchase via any of these methods. You can get your refund. And one more, the important thing is to remember is to have your purchase receipt. So when you contact with support to get a refund, you need to have the screenshot of your purchase receipt just to show them. So click on this, click on the blue link, and then it will tell you how to get your purchase receipt. So as you can see, we have to go to Supercell store. So it's a different website, not this one. And we have to click on the hamburger menu and log in, and then click on profile picture and then account, and we will find our purchase history. So let's go to Supercell store. So you have to type on Google Supercell store, and then once you log in, click on your profile picture and then scroll down until you find purchase history. And as you can see, I haven't made any purchase yet, but if you bought the skin, you will find the purchase here. So just screenshot it and then go to your Supercell support